Seriously.
Good?
Yep.
This is where we had to turn to go to job centre.
Yeah. That's one for you, Scott.
Yeah, Scotty.
Fuck. 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 Yeah, I'm all good.
Yeah, I'm okay. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright. What the fuck was that?
Not understanding the road. There's even a sign.
In 300 meters, use the right two lanes to keep right. Keep right. Go straight on.
Junior!
5 minutes.
My God.
State Route 27 Plenty Road.
Fucking shit.
What the fuck, man?
You fucking dickhead. Yeah, I've got that on.
She had to turn right, but she was in the middle lane.
Remember how I had a bath at the Ritz-Carlton?
That's right. You look...
Oh, yes.
Whoa.
You...
Small red bins, they're not big enough. We need the big red bin.
Hey, there was this one for you, Scotty.
I'm beginning to be deeply concerned.
Dickhead! Yeah, you chuck your rubbish out, you fucking dickhead.
Oh, this isn't so bad. Yeah, I thought it'd be a lot worse than this. They'll be able to buff this out, no problem. Oh, yeah.
There's been a little bit of controversy about her commentary as well, because some have, although not attacking her, have said...
On to M2 towards City.
When young men, particularly through the ages of 12 to 16, that's where they'll traditionally break away from their parents, seek mentoring, seek guidance elsewhere, but it's also where they test the boundaries the most. They'll test their authority structures. So for us, what we try to do is use super diverse, very relatable, highly trained facilitators who are in an age bracket that is somewhat different to their parents, where they can feel this sense of connection and relatability, and they can then start to learn some of the lessons or have some of the conversations.
At the traffic light.
Oh, good red light, buddy. Good red light. Shithouse driving, mate.
Oh shit, not good.
Oh, you fucking idiot. You dickhead.
Dickhead!
Fucking hell!
My gosh, lady. You not seen a giveaway sign for you? Alright.
We have had a couple of guesses from Paul McCartney in the past. So you can check that list, and then that's going to get us closer to giving away the cash.
Alright, thank you.
What the hell is this?
What the hell is going on down there?
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Wow! Did you see that? Fuck!
Knobheads, mate.
Watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
There you go, Scotty. That's a shitty bang bang.
Bang bang, that awful sound, bang bang.
Wow, look at these two numbheads, mate.
source of protein. But for some, tummy upset means it's off the menu.
Oh.
See, ordinary milk
Good old
contains
Cadillac.
omega-3
Nothing you see every day. What's this here? Monaro? Kingswood? Monaro.